Looking for the best pet food storage container airtight but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best pet food storage container airtight based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Pet Pop Container. Pet owners with multiple furry friends at home will love this container, as it can hold up to 6.5 pounds of dog food or 4.5 pounds of cat food, keeping their food fresh and protected from pests. A detachable scoop makes serving easy, and the square design allows for stacking and modular storage. What really sets it apart is the airtight seal created by the lid, which keeps food fresh and prevents pests from getting in. Number 4. TIOVERY Dog Food Storage Container Small. This dry food container truly sets a new standard for airtight freshness protection. Its snap-lock lid and double airtight seal lock out moisture and humidity so effectively that you can confidently store dog kibble, cat dry food, bird seed, pellets, and treats for extended periods. Its versatility and space-saving design make it a great fit for pet owners who need to store varying amounts of food, and the clear top lid with a magnetic closure allows for easy access and visibility of the food level without having to remove the whole top. Perfect for pet owners who value convenience, safety, and organization, this container is a must-have for any household. Number 3. Iris USA Dog Food Storage Container. We've got a real winner here, folks, and that's this airtight pet food container. It's a game changer for pet owners who want to keep their home tidy and their pets' food fresh. The standout feature is that it's designed for all pets, not just one or two specific types, so whether you've got cats, dogs, birds, or something else entirely, this container's got you covered. It's also clear so you can quickly check the food level, easy to open and clean, and BPA-free for your peace of mind. Number 2. smartoo Vacuum Cat Dog Food Storage Container. We've all been there, you fill up your pet's food bowl, and by the end of the day, that once fresh kibble has turned into a stale, smelly mess. But with this amazing pet food storage container, you can say goodbye to that problem. It uses a deep vacuum to lock in freshness, keeping your cat or dog's food crunchy and tasty every time, just like day one. The airtight seal locks out moisture, and the space-saving design fits anywhere. It's perfect for pet owners who want to keep their food fresh and reduce waste. I've gotta say, I'm thoroughly impressed with its long battery life and built-in safety features, and the food-grade ABS material is a huge plus. If you're tired of dealing with stale pet food, this is a game changer. It's simple, reliable, and keeps your pet's food fresh for longer. Number 1. Gamma 2 Vittles Vault Pet Food Storage Container. Vittles Vault Airtight Pet Food Storage Container Plus Scoop. We love this pet food container. It's a game changer for pet owners who care about their furry friends' freshness and flavor. The standout feature is the Gamma Seal technology that maintains moisture balance, keeping food tasty and fresh while locking in flavor and smells. It's perfect for anyone with a larger pet or multiple pets at home, and it's also suitable for storing human food, cat food, and more. Quick verdict is a solid 4.3 stars, and I'm giving it that rating because it's safe, durable, and made from food-grade HDPE plastic, making it perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.